It's like a bago with love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 왜 나
70,000 wedding gown. Hala, ang mahal naman. So, ayan, giving away my wedding gown for the next bride. So, watch lang for the mechanics. November 30, dumating yung gown ko and susukatin ko siya. So, my wedding day was planned 2022. This was my original gown. Super happy na ako dito. Wala na din ako masabi. Kaso, na-move yung date namin ng wedding from January 2022 to January 2023. So, nasira siya kasi natambak na siya and hindi ko na din alam kung saan siya nalagay that time. Then, November 2022, I decided ipa-remake siya. And then, kudos naman kay Tita Manny kasi pumayag siya na ipa-remake yung gown. First fitting, napag-usapan namin na to retain some of the gown, add some feathers, beads, tapos yung top, gusto ko siyang i-see-through. And then, gawin siyang 3-in-1 kasi sayang yung gown. So, yung total cost niya is 45,000 for the remake and then 25,000 for the original gown. Happy ako dun sa naging result ng gown and I wanted to be the next bride to use this gown and syempre for the mechanics.
Unang-unang sa lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Miss Bianca Lena bilang isa sa mga napili sa nanalo sa kanyang pag-giveaway na gown. Dahil ipapag-giveaway din natin siya para sa Soon to Be Bride. Yun lang guys. Just keep an update.
I wanted to be the next bride to use this gown and syempre for the mechanics, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Tag 2 friends and then why you deserve the gown. So ayun lang guys. See you again. Bye!